Video Script 2, The Two Indias, a deep dive into large caps versus small caps. In our last chapter, we discovered the repeating DNA of the Indian market. But the market is not one single entity, it's an army. It has its heavy infantry, the large cap blue chips, and its fast-moving shock troops, the domestic small caps. To know if the army is truly healthy, you can't just look at the generals, you must see if the frontline soldiers are following their orders. What happens when they start telling two different stories? Let's look at the great bull market of 2020 and 2021. Both large caps and small caps were in a powerful uptrend. But as the cycle matured, a dangerous secret appeared in the data. The chart shows the 2021 market peak. Two demand ratio lines are plotted, one for INDY and one for SMIN. Watch the orange line. This is the internal force of the small caps. It peaked and exhausted in May of 2021. The shock troops, the most sensitive part of the army, had run out of energy. But the blue line, the large caps, continued marching for 6 more months, driven by momentum and investor euphoria. For half a year, the front lines were retreating while the generals were still ordering a charge. This was a classic structural warning, and it came months before the 2022 bear market began. Now, let's look at the present day. The exact same pattern is repeating with even greater clarity. The small caps, our canary in the coal mine, saw their internal force peak way back in March of 2026. The large caps held on for another 3 months, peaking in force in June. The final price rally from March to August was a deception, built on a foundation of decaying internal force, led by a clear failure in the market's most sensitive layer. This reveals a fundamental rule of market analysis. The small caps act as the scout. They run ahead of the main army. They are the first to find new territory in a bull market, and they are the first to signal danger at the end of one. You cannot know the true health of the trend by only watching the large cap generals. You must watch the scouts on the front line. When their story diverges from the main army, the trend is in danger. This relationship is the key to understanding how market tops form. In our next video, we will give this phenomenon a name: the bathtub theory. The structure is the story. My mission is to teach you the language. Demand ratio is the force behind the market. Remember, this content is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Past performance does not guarantee future results, and investing involves risk.